Hey, what are you doing? Really? Hey, what do you want? Oh, yeah, whatever, man. I got an old can of Polyshade Stain Natural Cherry. Stain and polyurethane. And we got some 220. Yeah, very fine. Oh, hey, my cheap flies, lake and stream trout flies. They were $1. Got a few of them. Hey, and the crappy foam brush. I hate these with a passion. How I want to do this, I don't know. Found some better stuff. Oh, damn, man. I just whacked my knee. It already hurts.
Today, west wind 15 knots increasing to 20 knots in the morning. Seas 4 feet. Tonight, west wind 15 knots. Seas 3 feet. Tuesday, west wind 10 knots increasing to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 4 feet.
Pretty
Tuesday
much
night,
the
west
same
winds
story
20
all
knots.
over today.
Seas 4 feet.
Came out not too bad for a junk piece of wood. Oof. Oof. The plane, look, boss, the plane. Oh, the other plane, boss, the other plane.